Nola here in Mobile, Alabama at the Quality Inn downtown. Let's go check it out. Welcome to Nola. Let the good times roll. In this episode of our USA Travel Guide, we do a USA hotel tour of Quality Inn, located in the downtown historic district of Mobile, Alabama, for an Alabama hotel tour. This Quality Inn is located in Mobile at 255 Church Street, which is about 2 hours and 143 miles away from the New Orleans French border. This is one of the most affordable Mobile, Alabama downtown hotels, and this location is very convenient to all that downtown Mobile offers. This hotel has plenty of gated parking, a swimming pool, and is also near the center of Mobile's nightlife on Dauphin Street, which is a more calm version of New Orleans Bourbon Street. I've stayed here many times in the past, but this visit was not as enjoyable as previous ones here, as it seems the hotel is not aged so well, at least from the experience of the room that I stayed at that we'll see here shortly. Now, this is a very large hotel that has a whole lot of rooms, so hopefully I just lost the lottery in this case and got one of the bad rooms, and they have a lot of good rooms. So you drive through right here to get into the parking area. That's also where the reception desk is, and you have breakfast over there as well. I didn't even bother eating the breakfast after the way my room looked, though, unfortunately. So we're going to have some interesting times here. I've always stayed in the further away buildings, though. So I'm staying in a location that I've not stayed at before. For whatever reason, seems to always be in the far edge. They do have a swimming pool here that's available for guests to use. I've never used it, though. So here we go back to the entrance area, and also where you go to guest reception and the breakfast. And here's a view from the second floor, right next to the room I'm going to be staying at. So I have not stayed in this particular section. I'm usually way further down in one of those other buildings. However, it's got a good view at least, I'll give it that. So you can look down into the parking lot, and you've got nice gated parking. So that is a convenient and bonus point thing that you do get that free parking in here. And the security guarded gate is also very nice to have, so you don't have to worry so much about things happening. Now, just for an exterior view, I see the window, could use a little paint there. And then the door is a little dirty looking with funky funkness. Whoa, I've stayed here years ago. Let's see what we're gonna get this time. Looks a little rougher than the last time I was here. Ooh. Oh no. Ooh. Okay, so we got a little smaller size television there, and a pretty beat up looking oh, I don't even know if this works. Ooh, okay, so that actually pulls out. Nothing in there. Oh, it pulled out 2 drawers at a time. Not someplace I would want to put anything. It looks kind of rough and janky in there. Ooh. Okay, got a little desk. And ooh, man, this chair is seen better days. Wow. There's some kind of, it looks like cigarette burn ash in there. Nothing in there. And we get 2 beds. Got the chair over here. We got an actual telephone, the lamp. Let's see if the lamp works. Ooh, wow, this lamp looks rusty, dirty. Huh. Let's see what's in this drawer. Nothing, and it looks kind of dirty too. And a little pen and some paper, of course. And wow, this looks very rough over here too. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, So it looks like there was maybe some water damage, and they just painted over it and didn't do a very good job of it. Or maybe somebody kicked it or hit it here, and then the door looks like somebody's been kicking on that as well. Ooh. Oh, that chair is not the prettiest. A lot of damage on the walls. Wow. This is certainly... Ooh, stuff is even on the bed there. I wonder if those are bed bugs or something else. Here, I better lift this up, see if there's any evidence of bed bugs. I don't know. Oh my goodness, I think it's probably been a decade since I stayed here last, and I have to say that this place did not look this rough back then. Huh. So I gotta say, this was not what I expected. I did stay here quite a few times in the past. Like I said, it's been about a decade since the last stay. I'm not sure what we're gonna see back here in the bathroom. Let's go check it out. Oh, we got a full-length mirror here, so hello. There's a connecting door to another room there. And we get a luggage rack. Here is the air conditioner right there. Ooh, that looks like it's maybe seen better days too. It kind of, I don't know, is that designed like that? It's definitely got some dust all through there that I can see. And then we get the microwave, we get the refrigerator. Nothing in the refrigerator. Get a little coffee maker with some different little things you can heat up and drink possibly. We got a closet with some, not really a closet, more of a hanging rack with some coat hangers, an iron, an ironing board. And then let's check out the bathroom finally. So it's a place where it looks like there used to be some Kleenex, not anymore. We have our little accessories for lotions and soaps. Some eye makeup remover. I guess they moved the little Kleenex up from where they were before. The sink looks not the cleanest. The mirror is a little dinged up. We also have the toilet paper there, and then a little ding on the toilet lid, and some towels and other bath cloths. And then we have our bathtub with a little more soap, and well, some little dirty spots right there. And there we go with the shower curtain up there, little hanging rack there, and of course a blow dryer there. So bathroom actually looks a little bit cleaner than the bedroom and the rest of the area out there. So definitely, I think my price should have been cheaper. What I paid for this place should have been, I think, a lot cheaper when I see the decline in quality that's happened here, unfortunately. So I really do hope the Quality Inn in Mobile's downtown historic district has some of the rest of their rooms that are in way better condition, as this is a very convenient location, certainly. Now, there are plenty of other hotels in downtown Mobile to choose from. I will have a link to one of those at the end of this video so you can see the contrast, but of course, the other hotels tend to be more expensive than this one, although there's always specials. And downtown Mobile is also very popular, especially this time of the year, as they do also have their Mardi Gras celebrations downtown. So, thanks so much to all of you out there for tuning into the Diligent channel, especially to my Patreons. And if you would just take a moment to go ahead and share this video with any of your friends or contacts who would enjoy it, it really would help me with that YouTube algorithm. And then take a moment to look in the little description box underneath this video, where you will see links to various cookbooks. If you click on one of those links, it takes you to Amazon, and then if you don't want a cookbook and you go ahead and need to buy something else you're going to buy anyway, I still get a little tiny commission from any of those products, which also really helps keep this channel going. And then make sure to tune in next time for more good food, good times, and good people. Diligent here, and thanks so much for watching. And just go ahead and destroy this video right here to keep up with the fun.